Welcome to Quant Trading Unveiled, the math behind the millions. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing and often misunderstood corners of the financial world, quantitative trading. You might have heard whispers of algorithms, high-frequency trading, and massive profits. But what exactly is quant trading, and how does mathematics unlock these incredible opportunities? Get ready to explore the fascinating intersection of finance, data, and cutting-edge technology that's reshaping how markets operate globally. At its core, quantitative trading is a highly systematic and scientific approach to financial markets that relies heavily on advanced mathematical models, rigorous statistical analysis, and immense computational power to identify and execute trading opportunities. It's a stark contrast to traditional discretionary trading, where decisions might be based on intuition, news headlines, or even emotional responses to market fluctuations. Instead, quant traders use vast amounts of historical and real data from price movements and Volume 2 economic indicators, and even social media sentiment to uncover subtle patterns, predict future price movements, and meticulously manage risk. This isn't just about looking at simple charts. We're talking about sophisticated statistical models like multivariate regression, time series forecasting, and cutting-edge machine learning algorithms such as neural networks, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. These are employed to build predictive models that can identify complex relationships that are invisible to the human eye. Think of it as transforming the chaotic, emotional world of finance into a giant data science problem, where the right equations and algorithms can consistently yield profitable strategies, effectively turning market noise into actionable signals. So, how do the big players, the multi-billion-dollar hedge funds, proprietary trading firms, and investment banks, leverage this immense power? They employ highly specialized teams of brilliant minds, mathematicians, statisticians, computer scientists, physicists, and engineers, commonly referred to as quant. These individuals design, backtest, and implement the complex algorithms that drive their trading operations. These firms invest literally billions into their infrastructure, cutting-edge high-performance computing clusters, ultra-low latency, fiber optic cables connecting directly to exchange servers, sometimes even purchasing physical space within the exchange's data centers for a microsecond advantage, and highly customized proprietary trading platforms. Their strategies are incredibly diverse and constantly evolving. For example, high-frequency trading (HFT) firms profit from tiny momentary price discrepancies and order flow imbalances by executing thousands, even millions, of trades in fractions of a second. Imagine an algorithm detecting a stock trading at a minuscule discount on one exchange compared to another. It would execute simultaneous buy and sell orders across exchanges to capture that profit before anyone else could react. Another common strategy is statistical arbitrage, where quants identify statistical mispricings between related assets, perhaps a stock and its corresponding options, or two highly correlated stocks, and profit when these mispricings converge back to their historical relationship. The sheer scale, speed, and algorithmic sophistication at which these firms operate are truly staggering, allowing them to capitalize on fleeting opportunities that are simply too fast or too nuanced for human traders to perceive or exploit. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds incredibly advanced and resource-intensive for the big firms. But what about us, the retail traders? While we might not have access to supercomputers, direct exchange colocation, or multi-million-dollar data subscriptions, there's an immense amount we can learn and apply from the quantitative approach. The core principles of quant trading: data-driven decision-making, rigorous backtesting of every strategy, robust risk management through statistical analysis, and critically, the systematic removal of emotional bias from trading decisions, are incredibly valuable and universally